Hi friends, the program is check the given number is prime number or not. Number or not. What is the prime number? First of all, we have to know what is the prime number. Prime number means a number which is divisible by one and itself only. That number is called prime number. We take the number is 2. 2 it is a prime number. We take number is 3. It is a prime number. We take suppose take 4. 4 can have the 1 is divisible by 1 and 2 also and 4 also. It is a not a prime number. Simply we can say like 1 and 2. Like that factors is only two factors. Number contains only two factors. 1 and 3. If a number contains only two factors, means it is a prime number, otherwise it is a not prime number. We will write the code for this number. First of all, number. We'll take the number equals to int of input of enter your number. Next, I'm going to take prime number. So check prime number check. I'm passing the number. This is the called function calling. I'm writing that function definition. Prime number, prime number check. Taking number. Um, like I'm going to check that number is prime number or not. I'm going to write that logic for number is prime number or not. Here I'm going to write. First of all, I'm going to think that number is only divisible by one and its number itself. Itself means it is not divisible by yeah, in between these numbers like 2 and 3, 4. If the number is it can consider if you suppose assume that number is 5 means that 5 number is 5 means is divisible by is divisible 1 and 5 only. 1 and 5 only. And 5 only. Like I'm write that simple logic like it is not divisible by number is not divisible by in between that not divisible by 2, 3, 4. And write this type of logic. Suppose consider this number is 5. I'm going to check like for loop like for for I in range of 2 to 2 to that number. Number means here 5. Consider 5. 5. 5 is the number. If that number is divisible by like if divisible by I, if this number is divisible by any number, it will give that number is not a prime number. Like you can take this number is not prime number. Like this, we can cancel and break the loop. Come out of the loop. Else, I will tell this what is the how it is coming. Else, I'm right that else is not for this if condition. I'm going to write this else for loop. I will tell this concept in the later concepts. I will tell this concept for else how it is coming. Number is prime number. Like I'm checking the two to up to that number. I'm not including that number. I'm checking that up to that number. If you take that suppose 5, I'm checking with 2, 3, 4 only. If that number if that 5 is divisible by this 2, 3, 4, divisible by 3, 3, 4 means it will giving that number is not a prime number. If it is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, it will giving that number is prime number. Don't confuse, guys. uh, while practicing you will get this number simply. I have saved that second thing that I'm saving that for me. So let's go this file python test.py. Enter that number. Enter means if you're going to execute always not a prime number. If you execute take the 15, 15 is not a prime. If we take the 13, 13 is a prime number. Like this we can want to check means 23. 23 is a prime number. If you check the 27, 27 is a not a prime number. 27 is divisible by in that in 3. 3 9 is 27. We will get that. If you take the 33, 33 it is not prime number. 33 is 11. In that 11 it is divisible. 11 3 is a 33. If you take the 37 means it is I think so it is prime number. 37 is a prime number. If you I will tell that um, code. It's a code for a load. Seventh program. Seventh program. Uh, check the even number is perfect number or not. What is a perfect number? If say suppose take a number called 6. 6 means what is its factors? Factors of 6 means it is usable by 1 and 2, 3 and 6 also. It is divisible by 6 also. Sum of the factors is equal to that number. I'm not including the 6. Instead of except 6, I'm including this all numbers. Sum of the factors except that number is called, I'm going to write here. Sum of the factors of factors of the number number except that number except that number is called is equal to that is equal to that number is called perfect number. I think so. Some are not in confusion. I think so. If you suppose take that 6, what is the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. I'm not including the 6. If you take this 1 plus 2 plus 3, what is the sum? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6. 6 is like 6 is 6 equal to 6. Like this. If we'll get that this this thing, this like this, we will get it is a 6 is a perfect number. We will write the code for this. For this, in of enter your number. I'm going to write perfect number check and pass in that number. The perfect number check. Here I'm going to log for perfect number. How it is coming? We are going to take that s equal to 0. We are take that I in range of 1 to 1 to that number, and if number is divisible by I equal to 0, I'm appending that number to s. s. I'm returning that s in that s. Right here print function. Test.py. If you enter that number called 6 means 6 is taken, so we are getting that. We want to check that number. So we are getting 5 friends. I have wrote the reverse. 6 is the perfect number. Take the 28. 28 is perfect number. Take the 31. 31 is not perfect number. Take 100. 31 is 100 is not perfect number. Take that 56. 56 is not perfect number. 7th, 8th program. 8th program, I will take that one pattern called uh, print print the below pattern. I will take pattern like star. If you give the number is 5 means we will get the star, 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 star. Like this, we will get that like it is the first two. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the fourth row. This is the fifth row. Like this, we will get. I will write this logic in here. I will not use any diff function or I will use only for loop. If it takes number equal to suppose I'm directly taking that 5 for I in range of I will write in simply a number and 1 comma number plus 1 range I star I can't test it out p by c. We will got if you take the 5 means. If you take the 10 means we will get the 10. C. This is 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. Like this we are getting. If you want to show me that another like means, I will show that like also. Copy this one and write it here. This is the first code one and show that code two also. Runs wait using the two loops. Suppose take that number equals to 10 for I in range of one number for j in range of j in range of I j in range of I star star thought suppose instead of 10 you can take 5. I think so we got somewhere I think so plus one stuff uh, here see this is using the two for loops same program only but using the for loops. This is the advantage of that the star like this is the star like multiplication like or repetitive string repetitive operator. The star is another program. Another program is check the given number is strong number or not. Check the given number is strong number or not. Strong number means if you take suppose I'm going to take that number called 145. 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial is equal to 145 only. How it is coming? What is the 1 factorial? 1 plus what is the 4 factorial? 24. What is the 5 factorial? 120 equal to 145. Make the sum. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 24, 55. 25 plus 120 is 145. You are getting right the logic for this code. Code for strong number. Check number. Strong number check. If strong number oh yeah, I'm going to write here. I'm going to taking that number into temp variable, some temp variable. Later, I'm going to take some s is equals to some zero and use the value number greater than zero that I'm taking the digits from that number modulo 10. I'm taking that one by one digit using that modulo operator. Next, I'm going to add that digit into s is equals to f plus digit. Before adding this, I'm going to make the digit factorial. I'm use that math dot factorial of digit. I'm using here math module means I'm going to import that math module. Import math dot factorial of digit. Later, I'm going to use that number equals to number by 10. If that number is just as equal to temp means print temp is strong number else print temp is not strong number. Tested.py. 5 is not strong number. Suppose take that 145. 145 is strong number. Check this. 10th one. Print the below pattern. I will write the simple program only here. Suppose if you take that number and equals to 5 means it will print that number equal to like 5 columns, 5 rows using the star pattern. We'll write code for this. I will write two codes. One is using the single for loop, another one is double for loop. Same like previous program. Equal to 5 I for I in range of 1 comma number plus 1 print of my part. This is a code one. This is a code two. Sorry, I'm writing here. Don't worry, friends. Go to the tester.py file. Instead of taking that one for loop, I'm going to take the two for loops, not num. I'm going to take that I print star comma and later here I'm going to print this. So we got this one instead of well, that previous program I got. See, oh, okay, we got this answer. Don't worry, friends. Try. Practice this type of patterns. we will get it simply. I think we have completed the 10 programs. Thank you, friends. See, in that next class, we're going to see that another five programs.